Hello everyone, myself Raju Mahato. Welcome you again. Today I will talk about transition. Very oftenly we use animation in order to give a stunning look to our app. Actually animation added an extra wow factor to our app. So let's see some cool animation effects. I have already written the code for the animation. I have commented out all the code. I will uncomment this code as we proceed step by step. So first of all, in order to make any app, we need to add a main.lua function, Lua page, which is the landing page of that application. So I have already created that main.lua page. Here you can see that, and then I need to give a background color. This is optional to make it much more presentable. So I have given the background color. So how this works? This display.set default is actually added to show the background color. This is the parameter that you can see the background, and these are the color name. This is the color name in RGB format. So let's save it and run the application. Here you can see that I have added the background color. So then to show the animation effect, let's add in circle object. So this is the circle object. I have created local variable circle object, and for this case also Corona provides a display library which have the function new circle. This new circle. So this also accepts few parameters. Here I have passed the 3 parameters. What does this signify? The first 2 parameters. These first 2 parameters tells you the x and y coordinates of that circle. Suppose this is the 200 and this is x-axis 200 and this is y position 200. So this will appear on the x and y axis as 100 and 100, 200 and 200 position. And what this third parameter means? This third parameter tells you the radius of that circle. So let's run the code. Let's save it and run the code. Now you can see that here the circle appears. Now to animate this display object, we have transition API. This transition API have different functions like cancel, from, to. So today I will only talk about transition.to function. Using this function we can actually move, rotate, fade and also some other things over specific period of time. Over specific period of time we can move this circle, we can fade this circle, fade in, fade out. We can also rotate this any display object. As it is a circle we cannot show you the rotation effect. So we can also rotate any display object. So let's show it to you how this transition.to function works. So here you can see that transition.to function accepts 2 parameters. This is the circle object. This is the target object to which we want to animate. To which object I need to animate. This signifies, the first parameter signifies that display object, and the second object is actually a collection of data for a table. This is a table object. So here what I have done, so let's say this is the initial position and the x coordinates is 200, y coordinates is 200. So let's say I need to change the position of the circle. So I need to move this circle from this position to this position. So like suppose this is the y, here the y coordinate is 750. So this is the y is equal to 750. That means the animation will occur up to this coordinate, y is equal to 70. And for how much time this will for how much time this will animate. So to complete this animation, how much time it will take. So this signifies the time. Time takes the parameter how much time it will, for how long it will animate. So and the value is also in milliseconds. So this 5000 signifies the 5 seconds. Let's save it. Let's run the application. Here you can see that this circle changes its initial position to y is equal to 750 to this position. So and it takes 5 seconds to complete this animation. Isn't it cool? Next, let's explore some other properties of this animation. Now, the transition.to function, the table variables, it can also accept the on-click event, on-complete event. You may say you can. I can say you that animation, the transition can also give you the on complete event, on start event. That means on complete of that animation you can also fire some callback function. On start of that animation also you can fire some events, callback functions. So here on complete of this animation I can also call some other functions, like on complete I have called a function animate again. So this is my function. And here you can see that on this function I have again added a transition, added an animation to this object where it will change this y coordinates for this circle to 350 and x coordinates is to 300. So let's save it and let's see the effect, how it works. Here it completes the first animation. Okay, I didn't uncomment the function properly. Okay, let's save it, let's run it again. Here you can see that on complete of the first transition it started the second animation. On complete of this first animation it's called that function animate again, and again on this animate function we have applied the animation to this circle object. Now it's also have a delay property. Suppose you want to start the animation after 4 seconds, after 4 seconds or 5 seconds. So how it works? Same way we can add delay. Let's say I need to add a delay for 2 seconds. So what will happen here? First of all, it will start from its initial position to the second position with x is equal to 100, 200 and y is equal to 750, and after that it will call this animate again function where it will wait for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, after complete of 2 seconds, it will start the animation again. Let's save it. See it. Okay, I didn't give the comma, I missed it, sorry. Okay, now you can see that it comes to this position. Now after 2 seconds it's again started animation. So you can also add a delay to start the animation. So that's for today. We'll come with some other new topics on my next tutorial video. So till then, keep coding. Thank you.